We are going to explore one tool, and that tool is like extremely apt and helpful for content creators, specifically for those who are maybe into content writing. They are doing content writing for their clients, and also for those people it's going to be very suitable who are into blogging. Now this is the tool, and the name of the tool is marketmuse. You can actually visit this site like app.marketmuse.com/login to get into this system of this tool. And once you get in, you can create a free account. Now marketmuse can easily let you get in free in the tool, and that is the best part of this tool. You technically don't need to worry about paying anything in the initial time. You can do as many searches as you want, and it is completely driven through content. It is a tool that works on AI, like artificial intelligence, and let's see how it works. So definitely we will go ahead and click on start my free account, and here you have to quickly fill up this form, and once you fill in up this form you can easily get started with marketmuse. So I'll quickly register myself, and then I will come back with the next video, and definitely we shall talk about how you use that tool. Thank you.